If you raise a Reaper Leviathan from Subnautica, you are in a living hell already. First off, they don't even look cute when you get their babies. Secondly, they will feed on anything, and I mean literally anything, even you. So when 2 days passes and you get him fishes to eat, you already see that thing grown to its juvenile size. Bro is growing faster than Flash. Anyways, you try to pet him, but nah, that's your biggest mistake ever. They are alien and he bites you off guard. And sometimes the bite will inject a virus known as Kara. The other day it breaks out of the fish tank. Woo, never happened to me before while raising creatures. Anyways, you take him in a giant ship and he's unconscious. Then you try to pick him up with cranes and drop him off in the ocean. Then after you return to the ocean to check on your pet, congratulations, you are dead.